Alright, so obviously today we have a wig on. I love this wig, but I literally do not know how to put on wigs. So I cut this because it was a lace front. I think I talked about it in another video I wore it in, but like, I don't know, you can still see that's not real because I don't know how to cut them, I don't know how to wear them. But anyways, I wish I could dye my hair this color, but my work won't allow it, or my boss won't allow it. And you know, I really love this color. I actually dyed my hair like this temporarily before and I loved it. It lasted for like a good 2 weeks. It was so pretty. So yeah, I just have a wig right now. And no, I do not have my studio up yet. It's been a good like 3 weeks since I filmed in my studio, but I do have all the stuff. Hopefully it works out for my studio so I can get it filmed, and then I'm gonna do a video on like my makeup collection, my filming setup and everything like that once everything is put together. Okay, so today I decided I wanted to do a lavender eyeshadow look, maybe a lip color too. I've been loving lavender so much, not just the color, but like lavender like as in a scent, like essential oils and all that kind of stuff. I've been buying soap that's lavender, bath bombs that's lavender, everything that's lavender. I just love it. So today I got this in the mail yesterday and it's actually really good. So I got this on Amazon for like probably like less than $10 because I'm really cheap. It's lavender, water, and glycerin moisturizer. So it's for your face and you can put on your body. So it's for your face and your body as well. So I sprayed this on my face. I've used it about 3 times now since yesterday, and I really love the smell of it. And it does moisturize my skin so well, but it actually kind of leaves like a stickiness to my face. I actually already sprayed it this morning, but we're gonna spray it again because why not? So I thought maybe it would work as a primer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray. And it just smells so good. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. This is from Heritage Store. So I don't know if you guys want to look up this brand on Amazon, but this is where I got it. It works really good. I mean, if you don't mind the stickiness, I do not care personally. If I mind the stickiness, I'll just put makeup on top or wipe it off. But it does leave my face very hydrated. And also, if you hear some weird noises, snoring and stuff, like she just, do y'all hear that? I don't know if you guys can hear that. My dog's in here with me. She's really sick, so I locked her in my room so I can keep an eye on her while I film. Okay, so I feel like doing foundation is gonna be really hard with the wig on, but we're just gonna go with the flow because I can't put it back. It's like really annoying. So I'm gonna use, almost dropped it, I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution foundation stick. I don't know why I didn't talk about this in my favorites video. I guess I was still trying to like learn on it, but this foundation stick is so good, and I highly recommend everyone go get it. It's literally, I think it's like $9 or cheaper, so yeah. And I'm sure you guys are gonna see real parts of my hair. I don't care, like right there. So I'm just gonna start putting this on my face. And then I'm just gonna go in with my Morphe sponge and start blending it out, trying not to get it in my wig. So I really love how this foundation looks. I feel like it just looks so good on the skin. This color matches me perfectly. In my eyes, it's probably too light for me, but I do think it matches me really good. It's very hydrating. It lasts all day. It's so bomb. So now we're gonna go in with concealer. This is the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Concealer. This is in the color Fair Light Warm, and it is a stick concealer, like a cream concealer. And guys, I know what you're thinking, this is crazy, but this actually works so good. I feel like nobody talks about it. Every time I use this in a video, nobody ever, like I always say, no one ever talks about it, but it's so good and it needs to be hyped up. So yes, it is darker than the foundation. I don't really care, so I'm gonna take it down the normal places I normally would. Put a little bit on my eyelids as well. And guys, I bet you guys are so excited. Y'all are like, wow, she finally got her nails done. My friend Maria has been learning how to do nails, so she came over and practiced on my nails, and look at them, they look so good. Alright, so I'm just going to blend out my concealer as I normally would. I like to start on the eyes most of the time though. Alright, so I see it's starting to fall out a little bit, so we're just gonna shove that back. But now, I'm gonna go in with the Luscious Cosmetics Camera Powder. This is the bomb.com. I don't even need to talk about it, but I'm just gonna go in with my Real Techniques setting brush. And just tap on that and go under the eyes, on the eyelids. After setting under the eyes, I like to just pounce my sponge into it. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking my Morphe in 530 brush, and I'm going to be going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and just tapping into that, and we're going to start bronzing up. This bronzer is really good, guys. And we're just going to tuck this behind the ears a little bit so I can get some bronze in. Whoa, that looks really light in my mirror and really heavy on my viewfinder. So, whoops-a-daisy. I like to take it down the jaw as well. And then I go up on the forehead a little bit, just very lightly. This is so hard with a wig on. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I'll ever film with a wig on again. This is so hard and really annoying. And I'm just going to take just the plain side of this sharp edge of the sponge and just go down and kind of carve out. This kind of helps just very lightly, a little bit, kind of carve out where I messed up the bronzer and want it to be a little bit sharper. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. blush in the color Blushing and just going in with my Real Techniques blush brush and just putting this on my cheeks as I normally would. This wig is so annoying, oh my gosh. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild highlighter. This is in the color, this is Mega Glow highlighter. It literally does not have a color. Unless Lilac to Reality, I think that's the name. Which is kind of annoying because I don't see that on the actual packaging. I would only see that on the sticker, and if I took the sticker off I wouldn't know the name. So I don't know, might be wrong. But it's purple, so we're gonna go into it, go a little bit into the middle as well. It's got this cute little heart, and I probably have a shit ton on my brush, but we're gonna go ahead and highlight. Fuck, that is so good. Look at that. Ooh, ooh. All right, just gonna put it everywhere because we're gonna be nice and purple today. And I'm going to take it down the nose as well. That is so pigmented. I feel like it is a little bit too dark for me, but whatever. It just looks so good. Like, I feel like on the viewfinder it looks really good, and in my mirror it looks really good, but I have a feeling it's way too dark for me, so. Wow, I don't know where this brush came from. I haven't seen this brush in forever, but this is the Morphe R37 brush, and I'm going to be going in with the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. It looks like this. So I'm just gonna go in with this, and I'm gonna go into the very first color right here just to get that into my crease. So we're gonna start blending this into my crease, and I'm gonna slowly build it up and mix the color underneath it because why not? And I'm taking the transition color and I'm making sure to kind of start on the end right here and then flick it out just a little bit because we are going to be doing a like V-shaped eyeshadow. So we will see how that looks. Alright, so now I'm switching to the Morphe M518 brush. This is a little bit smaller. I'm not going to go too crazy with this color that I'm about to pick up, but I'm going to be going in with this purple color right here. Again, not too crazy. I'm just going to pick it up a little bit on the brush and kind of just add a little bit of definition to the crease and making sure to flick it out as well. Alright, so I'm going to go in with it just a little bit more because I do kind of want it, I feel like I like the shape that it's giving, so I'm just going to go in a little bit more. And I'm just going in with that first brush just to make sure everything's super blended out a little bit higher in the crease. So I'm going back in with the first color as well. And you know what I forgot? I didn't do my eyebrows yet, so I guess we're gonna be doing the eyebrows last. All right, so I just went ahead and did my brows off camera because they're really hard to do. I think they're uneven right now, but you know, just ignore that. But I use the Brow Gal convertible brow on my brow. All right, so now I'm gonna go in, and I don't know how this is gonna work, if I can open it up. I'm gonna go in with this Wet n Wild paint palette, and it looks like this on the inside. And I'm gonna be picking up on this random brush. Literally, it's a Borgese something cream blending brush. Pretty sure I got this like in some kid makeup a long time ago. But I'm gonna go into the lavender color, of course. And you do have to pick these up a lot, so I'm gonna pick it up as much as I can. And we're gonna start cutting out the crease and drawing like the more triangle area. Okay, so I actually love how that looks. I think it looks really, really good. It is very light and subtle and uneven because I suck. But I realized I don't have a lavender color, this color, and it's darker, and I really don't want it to be darker. So I'm gonna try something. I don't know if it's gonna work, but I'm gonna go in with this Ofra Oil Control Pressed Powder and just go in with a flat brush, and I'm gonna lay it on top and hope it doesn't change the color of it. So let's see. Ooh, yeah, it's kind of changing the color a little bit. Maybe if I pat it in like really crazily. No. You'd think that would not change the color because it's like a transition powder, and once I put it on like my skin, it doesn't change the color. But it did. Okay, well that's kind of sad. Kind of like how it looks though, honestly. Okay, so I'm gonna go back into this BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil and just take the flat brush. This is the Lottie London brush. It doesn't have a name. I'm gonna go into that purple color. It is a lot darker, but it's what we're gonna do. We're gonna place it all over just to really set everything into place. Alright, so I'm going to go in with a different color on the bottom. I do kind of like how this is looking so far. I wish it was a little bit brighter like it was before, but it looks good. So I'm going to go in with the Morphe E36 brush, and I'm just going to be taking this very vividly blue color right here. Am I tapping into the right one? Yeah, that very blue color right there, because why not? And I'm just going to run this under my eye. And now I'm going to go in with this fluffier Morphe brush. This is the M506 brush, and I'm going to go into this color right here, this more lighter blue color right here. It does look like it has a little bit of shimmer in it, but that's what we're going to use. And just kind of blend out the blue. I kind of want this to be pigmented, so I'm going to go to the top color as well up there and tap it off just so it's very pigmented. This is literally such a completely different vibe than what I was going for, but YOLO. And I'm just gonna go right underneath it with the sponge and just kind of help blend it out a little bit where I took it down too far at. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with this other flat brush. This is the Morphe M408 brush. I'm gonna go into, I'm totally going for a different vibe than I originally was because my dog, she's really sick right now. She's laying on my feet, and I really do not want to get up and go get an eyeliner brush, which I forgot. So I am going to be picking up this very hot pink color right here. I might mix it with this one down here as well, but just, you know, I'm picking it up on the flat brush, tapping it off, and I'm going to run this on the lash line area. I'm not going to wing it out, just kind of give a little color right there. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking this very tight liner brush. I don't know what you would call it, but it's a Morphe M432 brush. And I'm gonna go into this darker purple right here and just run it a little bit closer to the lash line area, just very tightly, so you can see the purple and the pink, just to kind of give more of an eyeliner effect. All right, so now I'm just gonna go in with mascara. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. And I love this mascara, but one thing that sucks is that it literally sticks to the wand right here. And I've had mascaras do this before, so I just have to wipe it off. That does suck. Just kind of clunk up your eyes. At first it didn't do that, but now after using it for a while, it has. So I'm just gonna put this on my top and bottom lashes without getting it stuck in my wig. Alright, so now I'm going back in with that Wet n Wild Mega Glow Lilac to Reality Purple Highlighter. I'm taking a pencil brush and just dipping into that and putting that on my inner corner to make everything pop, and then to put it on my brow bone as well. And I really need to pluck my eyebrows because they're looking rough, but we're just going to go ahead and enhance the roughness. Alright, so I don't know if this is going to be too much lavender or not, but we're just going to go with the flow. I'm going to be taking the ColourPop Lippy Stick. This is in the color Brills, and this is a satin finish. So yeah, I'm just going to put this on my lips. Alright, so that is the completed look. I actually really like how it turned out. I am using a lot of lavender. It looks good with the purple hair, I think so myself. The purple hair, the pink wig. I really love this wig actually. It looks so good. I feel like this is such a beautiful wig, and everything looks really good together, even though it doesn't look too real on me because I don't know how to wear it. But yeah, so yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give my video a thumbs up. It really helps me out. And go ahead and make sure you're turning on that notification sign, the little Taco Bell symbol, because I feel like you guys don't know I'm uploading, because I have over 1,000 subscribers and literally get 20 views. So why are you subscribed if you're not watching? I don't know. But yeah, that was the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.